Good morning, students. How are you all? So, beta, how are you all? So, today I am taking your general class of English. Okay. So, are you ready for that? Let's read some numbers today. First of all, can you tell me what is number? Tell me. Do you know what is the definition of number? What is number? Just give me answer whatever I am asking. Give me answer first, beta. What is number? Can you tell me the definition of number? Anyone? In short, that is right, Monica. One and more than one. Good. If I talk about a complete definition, what will be the definition, beta? Definition of number: if a noun tells about one and more than one. Okay. Is called a number. So is it clear to you? It's okay. Just forget about anything else. Is it okay, beta? Is it clear? Can you give me some examples? Firstly, we will talk about a simple rule of number, that is by adding s. First rule, we can say there are lots of rules to make a singular noun in plural, right? There are lots of rules now. Have you learned earlier? समझे होंगे, पढ़े होंगे आपने पहले भी. First rule, it's so simple. So first rule is by adding s only, right? This is very first rule of number. Like cat, cats, dog, dogs. Like any more example? Bat, bats. So this is very first rule to make singular noun into plural. Okay. Now let's talk about the second rule. Second rule says we will check the end letter of any noun. If it will be S, SH, CH, O, or it can be X also, right? If there is these letter comes at the last of noun letter, then what will be rule? We will add simple es. ठीक है, हम क्या ऐड कर देंगे बेटा, es. Firstly we will check the noun like, can you tell me any example? Any example? Give me fast. Okay, let's take an example like as, it will become as is, right? Second, brush will become brushes. Why? Because sh is comes in this rule beta, and where we will find sh at the last of any noun, we will add simple es to make that plural noun. Okay, it's called donkey, right? Now second example, we can take box. Box will become boxes. Clear? Dish is the example of this rule, and dish will become dishes. Clear beta? Is it clear? If we talk about the third one rule in this sequence related to y, here we have talked about two rules, then we will proceed to rule number third. Rule number third, okay, and that is related to y. We will check the letter y at the last of any noun. If is there, then we will remove this y and will add what? क्या ऐड करेंगे हम? क्या ऐड करेंगे बेटा? पढ़ चुके ना आप लोग? Write in comment section and tell me. IES, very good. Okay, IES. Okay, any examples? If you have learned, any examples is there in your mind? Okay, I am telling you. Body, BODY. Okay, so this rule can be applied in this noun. Why? Because the last letter of this word is y, so it will become BODIES. Clear? Let's take one more example. Copy. Copy. Firstly, we will check the last letter of this word. It is y, and it will become beta COPIES, right? Okay, then after let's proceed to next rule, and next rule is that is related एक और रूल है, वो इसी का भाई है, ठीक है. वी विल चेक द लेटर y. इफ देर इज vowel before y, then it will be not going to change. Okay, we will simple add s. Let's see the example like donkey. आप कहेंगे y तो आ रहा है, इसके अंदर आ रहा है ना y, तो आप क्या कर देंगे, IES ऐड कर देंगे? नो, we will check first. If there is vowel before y, then it will not going to convert in IES. In this kind of words we will add s only. ठीक है, DONKEYS. Clear? Good. So we can take one more example. JOY, joy. So here we can see before y vowel is coming, that's why we will add simple s. We will not remove y and not will going to add IES because there is vowel letter before y. One more example is there, ray. Okay, so once again a vowel is coming before the y, that's why we will add the simple s. Right? Is it clear to you? Clear? Any doubt? toy. टॉय में भी क्या होगा बेटा? TOYS. Why? Because here is vowel letter before Y, so we will add simple S in this. Okay. So now your class is just going to over. We have read today 4 rules of numbers beta, and I hope you will learn all these rules again. So will you do? Will you do the same beta? करेंगे आप? Okay. So your homework is you have to learn and write all the rules related to numbers. Clear? So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.